where we help you achieve your goals. Do you want to penetrate the African market? This is how. Nigeria alone has a huge population of over 200 million people. The country is one of the top producers of crude oil throughout the continent Africa, but lacks an important provision from its wealth of natural resources, power. Give Africans an alternative power supply or source of power that is affordable, reliable and eco-friendly, and you become a millionaire instantly. We do not by this mean solar inverter, which is already in the market, because not many can afford it. Therefore, affordability is key. It has to be affordable in order to create a huge market demand for the product or service. This is one country among several in the continent that will jump on any alternative power supply that is affordable, reliable and eco-friendly because most of their businesses and sources of livelihood depend critically on good power supply. Another lucrative idea on the list is security. This is an area of equal concern not only in the country, Nigeria, or the continent, Africa, but all over the world. This factor, security, is one thing that Apple has as an edge over its competitors. Providing a top-notch security system that is affordable, reliable and eco-friendly will not only make you a millionaire so easily and as quick as possible, but ensure a continuous, successful growth of your business because everyone wants security for their life and properties. You can see a similar video on how to become a millionaire. It's time to put on your thinking cap. Remember, the first rule to becoming rich, wealthy, and influential is to give the solution that solves a problem. We hope you find this information useful. Thanks for watching.